Friends, presenting before you a nice 1961 model Cadillac here.
It is Mr. Bean's car. And
Yeah.
Mr. Bean is one
Mr. Bean has made this car famous all over the world.
crazy.
Hello guys, welcome to Anandghan, Goa. And today is the 19th of December 2024. We are at the Joggers Park at Chikalim, Vasco. We Goans are celebrating 63rd anniversary of Goa's Liberation Day.
Good morning all. I Gautam Pai Kakode, President of Goa Vintage and Classic Club. Welcome all the participants and the car owners who have gathered today to witness the vintage and classic vehicles at Chikalim Joggers Park, which is organized by Goa Vintage and Classic Club.
From the Hindustan Motors, this is the Contessa Classic, my friends. It's a nice luxury car that time, but it got speed too. Some more Contessas are coming. And which Indian doesn't have idea about this car? Still running in the south side. Ambassadors from Hindustan Motors. And from the Toyota category, we have got here Corolla, Toyota Corolla car. Now in front of you is a very much known car, Maruti Suzuki. This car brought revolution in Indian car history. Maruti still continuing. Maruti 800, most known foreign car for every Goan. This Beetle at one time, most loved car and most owned cars for every Goan. Right in front of us. And still loved car. Left hand drive. Woohoo! And look at the color. It's what we can say. Mint. And friends, who would not love to pose in front of this car? Woohoo! Beautiful car. We are with the proud owner of this Beetle here. Welcome to Goa, sir. Thank you. Yeah. Tell us a little bit about this car. I'm now passionate to know about why this car only out of this area of this all Beetle cars. Why this is left-hand drive? All are right-hand drives.
Yeah, this is a 1968 Volkswagen Beetle.
Yeah.
I come all the way from Bangalore.
Welcome to Goa.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Basically, this particular Volkswagen Beetle,
Yeah.
this was an export model back in the day.
I see.
This car was built for the United States market.
This is German car, sir.
Yeah, it's a German, it's made in Germany, but this car was built for export. Yeah. So this car was sent to United States of America.
I see.
So from there, the person, he was embassy consulate. So he came to India to work
With this car.
So he got the car from there.
I see.
So that's how this car is a left-hand drive.
And you are the proud owner of it.
Yeah. Then I got it from probably I'm third owner now.
Yeah. Of course, carry on, sir. And we are proud you are participating and displaying this car, sir.
Thank you.
Friends, proud owner of this Beetle. Friends who are here. Last year also he gave us one bike. And this year we forced him to give one bike. He's the official, so he's always busy running here and there. But still, we managed to catch him up and made him stand there and talk about something about this car, sir. Sir,
I've grown up, my childhood, we've gone for picnics,
schooling, everything in Beetle.
everything in the Beetle. So when I was much older and I could afford, I said I have to get the
Same memories back.
Same memories back. And it is lovely. So I have this car for the last 8 years or so.
Another model of Volkswagen mini bus, as it is said. Friends, presenting before you a nice 1961 model Cadillac here. So nicely and maintained here in mint condition. and the owner of this car is Srinivas V. Temposa. Let's have a closer look at this car. The Volkswagen range of cars. This is 1967 Karmann Ghia. Wow, wonderful car. Another Volkswagen Karmann Ghia here. Wow. Hi friends, remember last year's vlog? Uttam Arwade. Uttam Arwade
Belgaum.
from Belgaum. Again this year, he is a part of this exhibition. You are with your family, sir,
Yes.
this year. Last year your son was there
Yes.
in the vlog.
Yes.
Yeah, nice to see all of your family here in Goa.
Thank you so much.
Welcome to Goa.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, and to this exhibition too. And I think yours is a Morris
Morris Mini, 1965.
Mini.
Mor-
Morris Mini,
1965.
Yeah, last year you spoke in detail about how you got that
yes,
car
yes,
and
yes.
you just brought it to life,
Yes.
and all.
So
And
the-
this year also you drove all the way from Bangalore.
Belgaum.
Belgaum. All the way from
Yeah.
Belgaum. Yeah. And how is the condition of this car, sir?
Yeah, fantastic. It has just come.
Hi,
As with the silk it came.
Oh my goodness. And about your family's love of this car, sir, about your missus and all.
Yeah.
What would she like to say? Just say on that mic. Yeah. Now we want your opinion, madam, because we know. Owners, first love is the car.
You are not in front of her. Don't
You have some suggestion. We want suggestion from you. Right? Yeah, madam. You have to say something about the love bonding this car and your family.
Yes. What I knew about this car was it is Mr. Bean's car. And
Yeah.
Mr. Bean is one
He has
fun-loving,
made this car famous all over the world.
crazy everything, and he is Mr. Bean too. So crazy people in the house.
Mr. Bean. Yeah.
So we are a bunch of crazy people in the house, and I would say the car thing runs in their blood.
Good.
So their
He has
whole
come to his son also.
yes, sir, totally. And I am a non-car person. Okay, just here because their excitement catches up on us. So yes, it's a lovely place and we are having fun.
Any incidents you may like to bring before our viewers? Means कुछ ऐसा हो जाता है कि आप और सर के बीच में कुछ अनबन हो जाती है और कार की वजह से हम लोग फिर से एक लव में बॉन्डिंग हो जाता है. ऐसा कुछ इंसिडेंस हुआ है क्या?
4 साल से मैं और मेरा बेटा आ रहे हैं. So yesterday or day before yesterday we decided to come as a family.
I see.
But then again,
Very good decision, sir.
Yeah. So
You should always be with your family.
बोले
That
क्या
is
अनबन
very
हो
visit
सकता
Goa,
है?
sir.
Yeah, क्या अनबन हो सकता है?
Yeah.
So there was so much of work at home and work pressure. So we were still contemplating कि जाना है कि नहीं जाना है. Normally we come the previous day, park the cars here.
Yeah.
And because of the work situation, but we still decided as a family we have to come once.
Right
आज
decision,
सुबह 4 बजे बेलगाम से निकले and we are here. 7:30 we have come, registered and checked in.
Right, sir.
And we were so excited we have not slept the whole night. And we are driving back after this, so it's going to
Why?
be like
Oh no. It's not right. It's not right. You should stay in Goa. Enjoy Goa.
Okay.
Enjoy Goa.
Yes, thank you.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
Manish. Thank you.
Hello, welcome, Marvin sir.
Hi.
Hi. The clock is clicking 10:30 exactly, and it's a time for the breakfast. Everybody, the participants have joined here for the breakfast here, and the president of this organization having breakfast with the local MLA and the Minister for Transport, Mr. Marvin Godino there. Yeah, friends, from the era of Hindustan Motors and the Fiat and all, we have come to standard, and this car is, the model is Herald here. This is a 1961 Peugeot. Nicely maintained. Hello sir.
Hello.
Welcome to this exhibition sir.
Okay.
आम्ही सर गोयचे सर तुमची गाडी सर रेअर पीस आसा आमी सगळे एक्झिबिशन पळयलें अशी गाडी आमकां आनी खंयच दिसूंक ना सर अश्यो गाडयो सरांनी गोंया कितक्यो आसतल्यो
गोंय आसा आतां पयलीं पॉन केअर घेनासलो असली गाडयांची नाव ओवर द लास्ट 8 years
त्याची पॅशन वाढला
फॅशन वाढलं
बिकॉज
गाडी-
ड्युरेशन इज व्हेरी मच टफ
या
रेस्टोरेशन जाता सर असल्यो गाडयो
रेस्ट्रिक्शन जाता ओनली यू हॅव टू हॅव पॅशन फॉर दिस vehicles.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
And time, dedicated time, and little money. Yeah.
So
That's how expensive, and to maintain these vehicles, very expensive.
This is your father's car, sir?
My father's and uncle's car. Yeah, bought in 1961. It is 1960
I was
model.
born that time.
Yeah.
Surely.
I was born in 1964.
Yeah.
And this is 1960 model.
60 model.
60 model.
Owned in
December 1960 model.
Yeah.
New that time.
Oh,
Yeah.
God.
They bought it.
Means at the regime of Portugal, no, 1947, no, 1961 we got liberated.
Yeah.
This is the 63rd year we are celebrating.
Yes.
And today 19th December.
Yes.
So this mean you mean in Portuguese era or the Goa era?
Portuguese era.
Portuguese era.
And that time they were not considered as imported cars.
Yeah.
They were not imported.
Yeah.
They were just like they were bought here, and anybody could buy.
Acha.
This was bought at the price of 11,800 rupees that time.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
That time 11,800 means
It was a big money.
and the rare case दिसणार सर in number plate. Number plate किती तरी सांगता आमका different.
This is the original number plate during the Portuguese regime. Yeah.
पर्सनल कितें अशी एक घटना सर सांगात आमकां जी तुमच्या काराकडे रिलेट करता तुमचे भुरगेपणातले किंवा कितें
भुरगेपणान किसला व्हरपा सगळी हीच गाडी हय आनी देर वॉज ऑलवेज प्लेस फॉर वन मोर इन द कार 11, 12, 13 देखून जाताली इतली आमी भरून वताली गाडी थँक्यू
Carry on with your passion, sir.
थँक्यू थँक्यू
And besides this Peugeot, we have here displayed Opel car, running around, nicely maintained car. This is a Ford 7W10 Tourer model, 1945 model, Humber Hawk. This is the Austin 10 model. Many of the Goans own such cars then and have nicely maintained. They had a passion to maintain, to own these cars. And friends, this is a Volkswagen 1500 model car, right? The looks are almost meeting with MB Ambassador, but it's not Ambassador.
हाय फ्रेंड्स वॉल्सली म्हणून मी आमकां पहिले फावट दिसली कार आणि त्याचे प्राऊड ओनर आसात सर तुमचे नाव सांगा
संदेश
शिरसाट सर आणि ते म्हापशेच्यान आसा म्हणजे ऑल द वे फ्रॉम गोवा सो सर या कार बद्दल थोडीशी माहिती आमच्या व्ह्युअर्सांक दिया म्हणजे तुमचे कडेन कशी आयली काय तुम्हीच पहिले ओनराचे कशें कितें
ही गाडी हांवें 2002 घेतलेली सेकंड ओनर फर्स्ट ओनर वॉज डॉक्टर
अच्छा फर्स्ट ओनर डॉक्टर बट ह्यो गाडी सर रेअरली दिसता
rarely. This car was top production in 1974. Leslie was first car, then they taken a partner as Austin. Then third partner was Morris.
अरे बाप
And this car was discontinued in 1974.
आय सी
This is from England.
अशें तरी पूण तुमी सर डायरिंग केलें ही कार तुमचे कडेन घेवपाक
Right.
आय सी प्रॉब्लेम दिला सर केन्ना कितें ना
कांयच ना माझी गाडी all the best moving आसा
ऑल द वे सगळं एक्झिबिशन पळयलां आमी ही कार एकूच आसा हांगा
एकूच आसतली
आणि गोंयांत सर किती आसा ह्यो
गोंयान एकूय ना वो मॉडेल
अशें अरे बाप
मे बी देर इज वन इन मुंबई
अशें ओ गड यू आर सो पॅशनेट तुमी सर पॅशनेट सर ही कार घेवपाक आशिल्लें
माझे एक पयली आमच्याकडे बुजली असली व्हडली असली
अशें ओ गॉड
1961
ह्याच कंपनीचे
याच कंपनी बिगर कार
अशें म्हणून तुमी आज
पार्ट कार लागून मागीर ही चान्स मेळ्ळो म्हाका
अरे वा.
दॅट टायम आय वॉज इन बेंगलोर
अशें
सो माय ब्रदर टोल्ड टू सेल आउट द कार
अशें
टू माय डॅड
ओके ओके
सो ही गेव मी दिस कार
हय खूब बरें दिसता सर तुमी हांगा पार्टिसिपेट केलें आनी आमची कार पळोवपाक मेळटा
ना
सगळ्या लोकांक गोंयकारांक
will be there till as long as this car is remain.
सर थँक्यू Friends, at that wagon there, Volkswagen, Adi demonstrated us the honking that horn. Now on this Austin car, I found the same type of horn here, and I am passionate to blow it, honk it. Nobody would dare to come in front of this car with this horn.